Most design tools promise to make you look professional, but when you actually open them, you feel lost. Too many menus, too many steps, and results that still look amateur. Kittl AI is different, and in this video, I am going to show you exactly why. Kittl is a browser-based design platform. No downloads, no installs. It is built specifically for logos, brand assets, merchandise, and print-on-demand products. So, if you create t-shirts, sell on Redbubble, run a Shopify store, or just want a professional brand without hiring a designer, Kittl was built for you. What makes it stand out is the combination it offers. You get vector editing, AI image generation, typography tools, and short video animation, all inside one workspace. Most beginner tools give you one of those. Kittl gives you all of them. Let me walk you through the features that actually matter. First, Kittl flows. You start with a rough sketch or a basic layout. Kittl generates multiple variations on a smartboard. You explore colors, themes, and styles without starting over. For anyone doing client work, this saves serious time. Second, the AI image generator. Most platforms pick one AI model for you. Kittl gives you a choice of 26. That includes Flux, DALL-E 3, Ideogram, and Google Imagen. Different models perform better for different styles. Having that control makes a real difference. Third, the AI vectorizer. Upload any JPEG or PNG. Click Vectorize. Kittl converts it into a clean, scalable SVG file right in your browser. No Illustrator subscription needed. For logo designers, this is huge. Fourth, let's talk about typography. Kittl lets you layer multiple text effects on a single word at the same time. A curve, a shadow, and a decoration all at once. Canva only allows one effect per element. That difference matters a lot for brand design and merchandise. And one detail most reviews miss. Kittl supports zoom up to 40,000%. Most tools cap at 500. For anyone doing detailed vector work, that level of precision is hard to find outside of expensive desktop software. Now, let us talk pricing. Kittl has 4 plans. The free plan is $0. You get 5 projects and 200 AI tokens one time. But you cannot use outputs commercially. Personal use only. The Pro plan is $15 per month, or $12 per month on annual billing. You get unlimited projects, vector exports, and 2,000 AI tokens per month. Commercial use is included for up to 500,000 copies. The Expert plan is $26 per month on annual billing. That adds 100 gigabytes of storage, 6,000 tokens, brand kits, and over 100 million curated assets. And the Business plan removes reproduction limits and adds team collaboration. One thing worth knowing: AI tokens do not roll over. They reset every billing cycle. Students get 50% off the Pro plan. There is also a student ambassador program where inviting 10 classmates unlocks a full year of Pro for free. I always give you the honest picture. So here is what Kittl does not do well. Storage on the Pro plan is only 10 gigabytes. For designers working with high-resolution files, that fills up fast. The video feature is limited. You can generate short clips from 4 to 8 seconds using text prompts. But you cannot trim, cut, or edit video inside Kittl. It is not a video editor. No EPS, TIFF, or PSD exports. Professional printers often require these formats. If your clients need them, that is a gap you will hit. And there is no mobile app. Kittl is not built for small screens, desktop only. These are real limitations, but for most logo designers and print on demand sellers, none of them are deal breakers. So, is Kittl worth it? If you create logos, brand assets, or print on demand products, yes, it is one of the most capable browser based design tools available right now, and the Pro plan at $12 per month is easy to justify. If you need a full video editor or advanced print formats, you will need to combine it with other tools. Start with the free plan and see how it feels. The link is in the description. And if you want the full written breakdown, including the complete pricing table and comparison, the full review is live on Remote Future. Link is also in the description. If this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next one. Remember, work smarter, live better.